Okay, we're here at the Comfort Inn & Suites, Dover, New Hampshire. Here's our room, 226. And they actually still have magnetic keys here, so let's get into our room. There we go. Now this door is actually a little screwy. You open it, you go down, it will not open. So you actually have to lift the handle up and it opens. A little screwed up, you should probably address that. Now let's start with the door. Door appears to be in fairly good condition. Got our floor plan here. And I guess good a place as any to start in the bathroom. So we got a pretty nice vanity here, plenty of counter space. Got plenty of towels to go around. Towels feel okay. You know, not too old. Definitely gets the job done. Probably shouldn't have sat on that toilet seat. My fat ass will probably break it. But got some tissues here. We do have water pressure. Got some standard choice toiletries here. Ice bucket and a couple of plastic cups. All pretty standard for Comfort brand. Got a shower head up here. Looks like a low flow variety, which I'm not a fan of, but sometimes you have to. And hot water is pretty quick. Shower head works well. Definitely a low flow shower head, but delivers a fairly reasonable amount of pressure. Can't complain too much about that. Got a toilet. Lift it up, and honestly it looks very clean. Now I'll do the gross out test and maybe not tell my roommate about the results of the gross out test. But we just go right around the rim here. See how thoroughly they clean it. Actually, that's really good. I'd say that passes with flying colors. Flush the toilet. Seems to flush all right. I'm not a toilet guy. I know some of you are. And we got a mirror here. A few little spots on the wall here and there, but nothing too crazy. Got a pretty sizable closet, a luggage rack that I'll probably use, ironing board that I definitely won't use, and a laundry bag that I might steal. A few scuffs up there, but probably comes out with a magic eraser, but I'm not really going to hold that against them. External thermostat for the PTAC, and now we're in the room. Pretty much a standard Comfort decor package. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn on these lights so we have a little more. Carpet has like a few spots here and there, but nothing too crazy. Got a LG TV here. Might be a smart TV. It's been my kick lately. I'm checking to see if these are smart TVs because you get a lot of bonus points if they are. The reason I like smart TVs is I can watch crap from my phone. Doesn't look like this is a smart TV, which, yeah, that's fine. But no bonus points, but it's at least a nice TV. Get into the microwave here. And microwave smells okay. It looks pretty clean. Definitely a little older, but nothing bad. Got some decent furniture here. This drawer doesn't really like to open or close. See it? A little messed up, but nothing crazy. Got a mini fridge here where, oh look, somebody left me some beer. No, that's mine. But pretty clean. Nothing really going on here. Got a freezer compartment that actually has an adjustable temperature. Not sure I've really seen that in a mini fridge. That maybe should be cleaned up there. But little nitpicky things. Not going to get on too much for that. Got one of these little single serve coffee makers that you have in practically every hotel. Looks clean enough. I mean, it's just like water sediment. Oh, they definitely clean this. So definitely a pass. I'll fix that later. got our room brew coffee, and this stuff is abysmal, but most hotel coffee is abysmal, so what else is new? So, the phone does work. Bit of an older phone. This property seems to have been built in the 90s or so. That's probably what this is from. Our Frigidaire P-TAC, or excuse me, a Friedrich P-TAC. I think those controls are disabled. Just uses the wall thermostat. In fact, I'll turn it on so you can see it run, hopefully. Yeah, not sure exactly what's going on with that. I'll report back if there's anything to see, but let's just pretend it works. Got a lamp, and I've been putting it off. I guess it's time to do the bed tear down. So we got 4 pillows on either a double or a queen bed. It looks like a double. Pillows are in reasonably good shape. Yep, no, they're pretty substantial. This one here is a little lumpy. That can be the back pillow. 3 out of 4 ain't bad. I'm just gonna toss these here for the time being. All right, now as far as bedding, we basically have a triple sheet set up here. We got a coverlet on top. And we have what seems to be some kind of blend of sheet. It's not pure cotton, but actually this top sheet might be cotton. But peel it back, looks pretty clean. And then I'll bet that it feels like there is a real comforter under here. They actually did a pretty good job triple sheeting this. It's tucked in there pretty good. Yeah, I mean, comforter looks reasonably clean. A couple like perma stains on here, but nothing I'm gonna freak out about by any means. Looks totally acceptable. Sheets totally spotless. And let's peel it back and see if we find any goodies. Nope, pretty good. They've got actually a pretty nice mattress pad here. Mattress pad / mattress protector. Not waterproof or anything like that, but that's more a risk mitigation thing on the hotel owners. Peel it back and we have what appears to be an older Sealy or Serta innerspring mattress. Set on it, definitely feels older. It's okay, gets the job done. Little water stain there. Nothing too crazy. I mean, it's an older mattress, and you're getting what you expect out of an older mattress. It's probably up for replacement, but it'll definitely do for a night. And I'm just going to cut in under mattress peak because I didn't do that before. I wouldn't say this one passes with flying colors, but it's pretty good. A few little things here and there. Should probably clean under there occasionally, but yeah, I've seen much worse. As far as other things to show in this room, I will give you a quick view. Late arrival, not much to see out here, but I will tell you, during the day there wouldn't be much to see either. Got a nice seat here. I'll move my bag so you can see said seat. A couple crumbs that maybe they could have vacuumed up, but again, a little attention to detail things. Nothing I'm gonna blast them over. We got this desk with the chair that we seemingly see in every hotel room. It's one of those stupid mesh chairs. Bland artwork. We got another drawer here with a little notepad, pen for me to steal. The binder that says, "We'll take care of you." It smells a little stale in there, actually. Room actually smells pretty fresh, though. So props for that. So all in all, I would say this room gets pretty good marks. It's Labor Day weekend, and we got a pretty good deal on this place. So I'm definitely not going to hold this against them. A little bit of water damage there. One thing I noticed later is that this little, it was like a cobweb or something. Got it out of that corner. Which, again, little detail that housekeeping missed. Also a little stain on the curtain here. Then one other thing I noticed is that, what I showed earlier with the drawer, this piece of furniture isn't necessarily in the best shape. That's kind of been established. But all in all, I would say that's really all there is to show here. So this is a solid room. No real cleanliness issues to speak of. They could definitely do a little better at catching some of the details here. But it's not bad. For the price we paid, which is honestly below the market, we will definitely take it. And with all that being said, that's it.